This programme contains strong language, sexual scenes and references from the outset and throughout.
Jay's birthday, what better way to spend your birthday than chilling on Bondi Beach, a little bit of surfing, a few drinks. It doesn't get any better than that.
Can you not just stay for a bit longer? Come on, just stay for another 3 weeks or something.
He's in the same position as me. He's got a bird, but he wants to go out and have a good time.
I've only come for my birthday to say hello and then I'm off.
You cheeky bastard, you know what I mean?
It's hard for him to gel with Gary and Scott when all they're doing is talking about banging birds.
I bet it's a bit of a nightmare for you sometimes.
Sometimes it is like, you just get left.
Do you like a Corona, boys?
Yes. Right up my street is.
Oh, colour again night, son?
Aye, right.
Really cleaning up.
We're going to Reptile Park because I want to see some locals. Local animals, that is.
What the f is that?
These are emus, guys.
There's these emus. They look like old ladies. Their faces are so angry. Oh! Oh!
Charlotte, shush.
I hate emus.